Hello children, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, red color, pink color, green color, blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color. Let's learn some 2D shapes. Star, circle, heart, rectangle, crescent, triangle. Let's draw it. Star, circle, heart, rectangle, crescent, triangle, sky blue color, green color, sky blue color, star, pink color, pink color, circle, light green color, light green color, heart, red color, red color, rectangle, green color, green color, crescent, orange color, orange color, triangle, star, circle, heart, rectangle, crescent, triangle. Please like my video and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children. Bye bye.